we are working with Department of Industrial Policy and Investment Promotion, Government of MP, and MPIDC is the corporation which has been formed under the department. So basically the functions of MPIDC, as you can see, are basically we are here to promote the industrial setup in the state and increase the ease of doing business by reducing regulatory compliances and simplification of procedure. Other than that, we support the state in development of industrial parks and allocation of land. Primarily, today we are here to present, basically we are having three solutions which we have deployed in the state from MPIDC. And we are here to showcase our Invest portal, the single window system of our state. Next. So basically, this is our structural map, which depicts, which is configured into which is in 5 regional offices and the head office is at Bhopal, MP. So basically, ma'am, this entire Invest portal is what we have created is for the facilitation of the investors. So currently, ma'am, 45 services of 12 departments have been integrated on this system, and like more than and day-to-day usage of the investors, maybe like lease rent payments, water bill, land allotment, all these activities are performed on through this system. 45 services includes primarily those services which are associated with industries, maybe clearances related to pollution control board, clearance related to labor department, and primarily these clearances which are required by any industry for setting up or starting a business in Madhya Pradesh. In a subsequent, we are also enabling this system for other business functionaries also, in which their letter of intentions which they file, because intention is the basic document which is used for the nominations for proceeding ahead in our state. So automatic approval of intentions and other features are being introduced in the portal. And this system is also being integrated with the national single window system of Government of India. We are among the first 14 states to be lined up in this activity. So recently, like 5 days back, Mr. Piyush Goyal had inaugurated this system, and MP is being onboarded on this system also. So basically, ma'am, what you see here is the total investment map of which is followed by an investor when he initiates or when he intends to, start a business in Madhya Pradesh. So basically, we have a functionality called Investor Wizard, in which by replying to some basic questions about your industry, the system gives you an indicative list of licenses which you would be required to avail. So if, for example, if I'm responding to certain questions based on which it will suggest me, okay, you will require the clearances of pollution control board, trade license, profession tax registration, and other such licenses. Subsequently, ma'am, we are among few states who are disbursing their fiscal incentives through this system also. So when an investor applies for a service, when his units come into existence and they intend to avail any incentives which have been promised by the state, they can apply from this system also itself. The system provides entirely online processes being formed, and the entire mechanism is means we have tried to make it without any physical contact. So all the payments which are made are made on this system are online, and we have integrated this system with the state treasury as well as independent payment gateway have been integrated. In this system, ma'am, we have integrated the services through 2 methods. Basically, we have gone for the single sign-on approach, which has, without changing the existing systems, we have accommodated all these services into our system itself. So which does not make the other existing systems defunct. So basically what is happening is once this process is completed, once the application is sent to the respective department, uh, uh, the user can track that application at a click, which is available at real-time status. Whenever the status is updated by the department, the status is immediately reflected on the system. And once this activity, when the certificate or the service is finally approved, the certificate can be generated from our portal itself, what say pollution control board or labor department has given to that user. In addition to that, ma'am, basically these are the benefits which I was talking about. 45 services have been received. All the clarifications, we have a dedicated help desk and grievance system in place. So whenever a investor is having a query, he can contact us and we support them. All the documents are uploaded and we maintain a common repository of these documents. So for example, if a investor has uploaded, say, his GST registration certificate once, he can reuse that certificate for applying for some other service. This the system provides means all this status tracking on day-to-day at real-time basis, and the payments are online. So ma'am, basically this pictogram depicts how our system is working. So basically, as I told, the smart investor wizards, when he fills out the application, all the suggested services which he intends to have, he can view them. He can make those apply for those services. The payment can be made online, and the department officials, if any escalations are made or if any service is not being delivered on time, the escalations are sent to the respective HOD, as in the principal secretary or the commissioner of the respective department, as well as our HOD also. So our managing director or the concerned executive director of the regional office can see what applications are pending within our department and outside our department for the investor. So ma'am, these are the basic indicative list of services which we have integrated currently. We are compliant to the ease of doing business.
So by the way, are you making a presentation or just speaking? Because I can't see any PPT.
No ma'am, my screen is being shared.
Yeah, I have seen. That's okay.
Right.
He was quite elaborate, so there was nothing I missed not seeing the screen.
So ma'am, these are the basically services which we have integrated on our system, and API based integration we have performed. So we have ensured the existing systems are functional in their respective domains. So Shashank, next. So these are, sir, primarily these kind of services which are related to investors are being taken up. In the second phase of the activity, we are elaborating this whole gamut to new services also, which can be availed by citizens or normal business persons. Say if anyone intends to open a showroom in Bhopal or something like that, for other than the industry part, service units and these also other businesses also can also use our system. So these are the total list of services which we are having. Sir, as per the compliances of ma'am, we are also using this system in our compliances for the ease of doing business rankings, and you will be pleased to know that in the last year's ranking, we were ranked 4th by Government of India. We were among the top 4 states and best performing state in the Western region. So that was for this year, our CM and our principal secretary have asked us to try to be in the first 3 position. So probably we are trying a level best to figure out in that area domain also. Other than this, Mohammed, should I continue with my second presentation, or we can have a discussion on this part first and then move ahead? Actually, we have nominated 3 projects for this.
It's a nice presentation, and you are ranking 4th. Only
Yes,
thing I just got confused. Ranking 4th in the all India level or only Western?
No, ma'am. ranking 4th in all India level and best state in the Western region.
Oh, that is great. So you really have done, okay, just one
Yes, ma'am.
like curiosity.
Right, ma'am.
Suppose somebody wants to set up a factory
Right,
and
ma'am.
applies for land.
Right, ma'am.
So what is your SLA?
Ma'am, initially it was 58 days. Now we have reduced that time to 24 days. Ma'am, in a subsequent part, we have nominated
Okay,
that.
fine. No, that's okay. You are reduced to 25 and you are, how many cases you have been able to match that?
Ma'am, more
Percentage, you
than,
can just give a,
ma'am,
of the cup percentage. You don't have to be accurate. Just to, so that my curiosity is satisfied. Nothing
just,
to,
ma'am, approximately 11, just hold on, ma'am.
it's okay. It's okay. Nothing very serious. But you have made it 24 means there must be some reason for
Yes.
you to make
Yes, ma'am.
24 from 58.
Ma'am,
So that,
ma'am, actually, there are multiple steps involved in our land allotment process.
but
So,
this will be the first one, na?
yeah, ma'am.
Once you get land, you apply for electricity or water or whatever.
Exactly. Ma'am,
So
so
the base-
basically, ma'am, the land allotment system, GIS-based land allotment system, which we have introduced, is a subsequent nomination for the awards. So I would be showing that presentation.
All right. We'll understand them.
Yes,
right.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And that is integrated to this?
Yes, ma'am, it is integrated.
Great.
So basically,
Fantastic.
yes, ma'am.
I'm quite impressed. Very nice.
Right, ma'am.
Thank you.
Sir, will you please tell me what do you mean by top 4 states? You are on 4th number. What is the criteria and who is the...
Yes, sir. Actually, DPIT, Government of India, does a state ranking yearly. Those are state reform action plan, which is published by Government of India, DPIT. So they give a set of recommendations to all the participating states. So last year, like there were around 300 recommendations which were given by DPIT. So basically, sir, all the states, all the participating states need to comply with those 300 recommendations, develop those systems, ensure that they are successfully working, and the ranking is based on the feedback of the users. So basically, sir, last year we shared data of almost 20,000 people across departments to DPIT, and based on that, DPIT, Government of India, had connected with those users to their feedback and decided on the ranking, sir. So
which is the on number 1 state?
Sir, last year it was Andhra, sir. Telangana, Andhra, Uttar Pradesh, and then Madhya Pradesh.
So this ranking is on the basis of your portal or on the system improvement?
Sir, both, sir. Sir, initially, sir, the portal is a basic minimum criteria which every state needs to fulfill. And subsequent to that, the state is evaluated on the feedback of the users. So this, if you visit the DPIT portal, sir, they have a dedicated page on ease of doing business. So you will see all the rankings of the state from previous years as well as the current year.
Or any foreign investor has been attracted by all these activities?
Yes, sir. Sir, like we have received approximately means so many units in Madhya Pradesh. Recently, like 6 units have signed MOUs and these things with the state. And in Madhya Pradesh, already some foreign units were existing because of its location and the business friendly environment the state has provided. But within the recent times, sir, many, I suppose around 6-7 units have come up in the state in in Pithampur and Devas area. So LAP Industries are some major. Coca-Cola has established their plant in Mohasa Babai. So many new Hershey's, which are a premier brand for chocolate syrups and chocolates. So they have established their units in Madhya Pradesh, sir.
Okay, my understanding was that in Western region, Gujarat is maybe the number 1.
Yeah, yes, sir.
But you are not mentioned about Gujarat.
No, sir. Actually, in Western region, there are 4 states: Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Gujarat. Out of these 4 states, we were ranked number 1 in the ease of doing business criteria, which is defined by DPIT.
So
Maybe,
you are
sir,
saying
bec-
in that criteria you have beaten Gujarat state.
Yes, sir. So basically, it is about systems, sir. Gujarat and Maharashtra being primarily industrialized from a very long time, so they definitely have a edge. But if you start or if you compare the processes which they follow and which we follow, so we have tried to simplify things, and many new changes are being brought. Things are being learned from good best practices of other states, and we are trying to better our investor climate in the states, sir.
Oh, very good. Nice to hear that that the system improvement is there in Madhya Pradesh and
Sir,
UP.
actually, sir, when you will see our GIS based, subsequent to this, I will show my GIS based land system to you. Uh, sir, means we have done some path breaking initiatives. I suppose you will like that, sir. So if we may proceed to the second portion, sir, Mohammed,
Yes, sir.
can we proceed ahead for the second GIS based land allotment system presentation?
Just a minute, sir. Let me stop this.
Okay, okay, you can proceed. So this first project is complete.